Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to animate photo in CapCut. It is a new feature that has been introduced in CapCut. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the CapCut app. And here in the CapCut you need to go to AI lab, and once you're in the AI lab you need to tap on the four dot in the bottom left and then tap and select auto. Once you select auto, what you need to do is simply upload the photo which you want to animate. For example, I want to animate this flower, so just simply type animate this photo and it will start animating the photo. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.